Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming strength. Check rack bolts, strap webbing, and anchor points for frays or rust. Next, place the load centered and slightly forward. This prevents fishtailing. Then feed the strap under or through the crossbar so the cam buckle faces up. Avoid sharp edges and use a sleeve if metal could abrade the webbing. Tighten by hand just enough to remove slack, because an over-tight first pull can shift the cargo before you finish securing it. Once the initial hand tight is in place, use the ratchet or cam buckle to apply firm tension. Do 2 to 3 incremental pulls, then recheck alignment. Cross the straps into an X to control side-to-side movement and add a longitudinal strap to stop forward or backward slide. Make sure you have 1 to 2 inches of webbing past the buckle to tie off. Tuck or secure that tail so it does not flap and wear through during travel. Finish by walking completely around the vehicle and pressing on the load to detect any movement. Listen for creaks and retighten straps if something shifts. Make sure straps stay as horizontal as practical versus draping steeply over corners, because that reduces tension efficiency. If you notice slipping while driving, pull over safely, add friction pads, or a sacrificial loop of webbing under the strap, and reroute or double the straps. This step fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.